let's clean out my fridge. It's been a while since I've cleaned out the fridge. I really didn't have much in there, but I needed to go through and throw some things away and wipe everything down. And so that's what we're going to do today. I'm not going to talk over much of this video. I'm just going to kind of let it be. Let you guys relax and watch as I transform my refrigerator from a cluttered, messy space to a nice, clean, freshly organized space. I'm just going to comb through the shelves and throw away anything that's out of date. And then after it's all thrown away, then I'm going to spray everything down with my Lysol all-purpose cleaner and wipe it all down. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kayla. I'm a busy homeschooling mama of two, Hannah who's 10 and Jana who's 5. And I'm happily married to my husband Josh of almost 13 years. On this channel, you'll find cleaning tips and tricks, decoration inspiration, and motivation to get your house in shape. I want to help you make your home the cozy place that it deserves to be and that you deserve to have. This fridge clean out day couldn't have come any sooner. I did it right after I had just bought groceries. Most everything is stocked back up. Now all I have left to do is wash the fruit and get it put away. And there you have it. Everything is cleaned up, the fruit's all put up in bowls, and everything's organized and fresh in the fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was relaxing to you. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.